All of the acts, all of the, each dance group in each area from across the state of Texas that's promoting Filipino culture and heritage to not only the future generations, but also to the rest of Texas and the United States. So thank you guys and all the performers for your time, dedication, practice, and everything. One of the ones that also continue all the way from Frisco, Texas, it's just going to be beautiful. We know you loved the Cariñosa earlier, but you're in for a treat. They're bringing it back, right? So this next performance is so good, we couldn't resist featuring it twice here at Fiesta Co. That's how much we love the Cariñoso, and this dance filled with grace and romantic charm. This one is going to be dedicated to the late Palita Corrales, which is, I think, a very popular and famous Filipino singer and dancer performer. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Amihan Dance Society.
Alright, wasn't just stunning performance. Thank you so much. Let's give another round of applause.